Okay, so we have a faulty door lock. Let's have a look. So the handle moving. It's not moving at all. That part's moving. That's rock solid. Keyway is upside down. Okay, so it looks like we have a broken latch. Let's replace it. Also, we're going to be putting this keyway up the right way. This is a foyer, which means it's high use, and the chances of people using multiple keys getting saggy springs, not good. Okay, so let's see what's happened here. Here's our lock. Here's our screws. It's messy. Kind of bent. And looks like it's just failed. Nothing to see here. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show you again what I was looking at before when it was on the door. You have the two center pieces right here. This one here. These are like your spindle, your drive. One of them is spring loaded, the other one's not. Okay, so when they come together like that, one pushes into the handle one, and then it basically screws onto the door. Because that's like a 40mm door there, because it's like a 50mm door there, this is kind of what's happening with the latches there. And you see those two parts together, so they can actually, I mean, it does work. They independently kind of drive the latch, but I don't like that. In this situation here, you know, these parts here, one will have to drive it or the other one will have to drive it. I much prefer bayonet fitting, which is this type of fitting right here. They're more common. These tie bolts I don't like, and if you just have a look at that, where's something flat? Okay, so if we look at that as flat, you can see that thing's on a real big angle, and they generally do break around here too. They can separate and cause a real nasty lockout. So I'm going to basically remove the cylinder. I can reuse the spinner, not a problem, and I'm going to reuse the cylinder. So I'm just quickly going to do that. 3, 4, something. Second, third, fourth, and sixth. You're too. Okay, that key's good enough. It's only a rough key. Okay, new lock. Okay, there we have our cylinder. Okay, good cylinder, use that one later. Okay, pull this into the new lock. Now we have the key. It's going to be easier than the video we did the other day. Handing is this way. Just spin that all the way down. Spin it on. Key goes in. Twist. That's on. Okay, so my latch. So the lock comes with a 40mm latch. Just quickly show you. Lock comes with a 40mm latch, so we're using a small lock extension. So if you were to look at it this way, so there's one and there's the other. So the center is here, so it's going to be a replacement. So that's perfect. Put it all back in the box, take that one, and 2 screws, put them back in there. Okay, let's go and install it. Okay. So these are originals. Fit. Not gonna fit. Okay, so that about 23mm, and inside there will not fit 23mm. So I'm going to use my speed ball and I'll try and churn some of this aluminium out. It's a bit of a trick that works on wood. Let's see if it'll work on this one too. Yeah, it should. there. Okay, that did work. That might be enough. Ooh, maybe. Only just, but. A little bit more, I think. So close, so close. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Look at that. Much better.